Hamba Krikamba, welcome to the panel.
Thank you, host. Zimbabwean politics are very confusing. I think they're even confusing to the natives of that country. That's why they are scattered all over the world. They don't have solutions for their country. And I think even no matter how much time we can spend on these lives, speaking on Zimbabwean issues, they don't have the will to go and address the issues that are affecting them as Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans are a nation of no pride. It's a nation only where cowards are manufactured. Engaging with as Zimbabweans about they don't want to talk about their politics. They will always drive the conversation to South Africa. Talking with Zimbabweans about politics, Zimbabwean politics, is a waste of time. Zimbabweans didn't even hold alive when Mnangagwa was extending his term to till 2030. They're not bothered. They are not worried. Right now, they are going to Zimbabwe. Beit Bridge is going to be packed to the brim. Zimbabweans going to the very same land they claim is persecuting them. ZANU-PF is oppressing them. ZANU-PF doesn't respect human rights. They'll be going there. You know what South Africans have done for Zimbabweans is way over and beyond more than even its citizens. South Africa gives millions to Zimbabwe in aid. Yet we have our own here who are poor and homeless. You know, Zimbabweans are a very ungrateful nation. You can give them your whole arm. They will want your chest as well, you know. Zimbabweans were allowed to come and work in South Africa because of the economic sanctions that crippled Zimbabwe. And these are the very same people who are telling us to unite today because their economy has collapsed. And they collapsed it themselves. You know, I remember even they were having their elections in 2023. Do you know that Zimbabweans were never even bothered to go and participate in their national elections? Even Malema, I think, offered them buses. Where in the world have you seen an opposition party come and have a rally in another country? Where have you seen that? Triple C was here in Johannesburg in 2023 when they were having their elections in August. Triple C was allowed to have a rally in South Africa. And Triple C was here to actually beg them. Who's that guy, Chamisa? Chamisa came to beg Zimbabweans to come home to vote. They didn't go. Because Zimbabweans are not serious about changing the status quo in Zimbabwe. Zimbabweans are fixated on South African affairs. Zimbabweans are fixated on calling themselves South Africans. Zimbabweans are fixated on getting hands on South African documents only. Zimbabweans are fixated on having their children documented as South Africans only. Have Zimbabweans right now come on this live. They will always drive the conversation to South Africa. They will never talk about Zimbabwe. That tribalism has collapsed and engulfed that country to the point that even others want a breakaway. They want a Biafra. But Mtwagazi what? The more Zimbabweans explain their issues in Zimbabwe, because tell me what can constitute yini engabanga yini engaga eyimbe eZimbabwe engaza iyenza abantu bayothukwa emazweni abanye abantu, that you cannot fix in your own land so you can retain your dignity as a human. What is so big to the point where you cannot even sit down with your fellow countrymen, that you would rather be insulted the world over and be shamed, and even your children live with that shame. Will we watching Zimbabweans next year? Sizobe sibabukele bafosta ingane zabo ukuthi ziye ezikoleni. Kuba lokubatshelwa manje ukuthi anifuneki because angaze ngabona abantu abanenkani endaweni wrong. Niyatshelwa namanje ukuthi niyabona ukuthi isimo sishintshile. Niyabona ukuthi akusafani. January ayasho ama South Africans ukuthi isukile kiwe ezikoleni. But you'll be forcing to bring your children here. You'll be subjecting your children to abuse on social media because there will be recordings. People will be going live doing these operations, but you don't care. Because the tribalism is so bad in your country to the point where you are willing to even subject your children to abuse because you think the South African laws protect you as an illegal Zimbabwean. So mina ngihlala ngintshela iZimbabwe malikhuluma ikwarekware ngakhuluma lize likhafula amathi phone igcwala amathi umakwarekware asibantu bokuthathelwa enhloko bantu benkosi asibantu ukuthi into abayikhulumayo ine sense because ukuze sibone ukuthi kune sense kumele sibone emazweni wabo sibone la babuya khona sibone babumbana bakhuluma ukuthi le government esiphethe manje ayisibenefit asizame ukuyenza kangcono asishintsheni mhlambe sifaka abanye sibone ukuthi impilo izoba ngcono na no they are on South African platforms insulting South Africans talking South African constitution laws insulting South Africans. You will never find Zimbabweans going on games live and engaging meaningfully about the issues of Zimbabwe that is going to liberate Zimbabwe and for their children. Never. Hambuye lapho bamamele the way bathukana ngakhona babizwana amaswina wo2V dirty what dirty swina ayikho into constructive ephuma lapha ya. South Africans are able to organize something and come together. Iyabahlula amaZimbabwean. You know, maybe even other nations. We've seen Tanzanians. We've seen Mozambicans try to remove Frelimo, and there was speculation that even Zimbabwe meddling in their affairs. Zimbabweans are the Nigerians of the SADC region. They are a problem. Zimbabweans are a problem in Botswana. They've collapsed the Zimbabwean health system. The Zimbabweans are the reason why Botswana today, the UK has stopped the visa-free pass to the UK for Botswana nationals. Zimbabwean people don't want to self-introspect that they're a problem. Even in Zambia, they are complaining about Zimbabweans. But they see everybody as an enemy, never themselves as people who are causing problems in other people's countries. Zimbabweans are a real problem, Bantu Benkosi. Zimbabwe problem. And Zimbabweans will always be receiving this treatment because they don't want to self-introspect and actually listen to other nations complaining about them. Botswana with a population of 2 million, why did they get their visa-free to the UK cancelled? It was the influx of Zimbabweans. And we told the people of Botswana, we told them, we warned them about allowing Zimbabweans into their country. Tanzania right now was trying to was voicing out. They took it to the street. Cameroonians tried as well. The Zimbabweans will come and talk about Burkina Faso, but they are not in their country. I mean, even the people of Swaziland, they were agitating for a democracy. They no longer want a monarch. When that womanizer there in Swaziland was butchering the Swazi people, they took it to the street. What have Zimbabweans done so far? What have they ever done, Zimbabwe? Because we see, what happened to the 1 million march? Why must CCC Tata Zimbabweans serious? Because Zimbabweans are not doing anything to liberate themselves. Zimbabwe Zimbabwe must just receive the maximum force, the maximum hate. I'm telling you, the only thing that is going to drive these Kwerekweres out of this country is if we give them war. The only thing that is chasing them in their countries is war. The only thing they understand is war. we have to meet them at the center.
F1,
Give
F1
them
guys,
10
F1,
times what they are
F1.
running away from. Abanikwe impi evuthayo. Bazohamba
A lot
labantu.
of F1s there. 444 F1s, a lot of F1s. Go on, guys.
Before, let's collect tires. I have 3 in my house. Can we get more? Tell me where to get more. It's about to go down. Zimbabweans need to understand that we are tired of whatever they're doing in our country. And hence I say, Keswa, Zulu people are pushing Zimbabweans out of their province, and you say they're related to them. Why are we supposed to be subjected to them? Because now they're in Gauteng, they're in Limpopo, they're in Mpumalanga. Why are they not staying in the Zulu province where they're related to? Honestly, you wanna abuse us because you know that in KZN they don't take shit.
Ningasifaka abahambe. Abahambe.
Can I enter, host? Host, can I enter, please?
Yeah, go on.
Thank you very much, leadership in the house. It's very, very painful to see an African child being xenophobic to an African child.
Kancane ngama-African child. We are not Zimbabweans.
You have been allowed.
No, don't tell us we are not African children. No, we are not.
You spoke. Listen.
No,
Time,
ngabe
give him to
ngikhulume
speak,
15
give him to
minutes.
speak.
No, ngabe ngikhulume 100 minutes. We are not African child here. We are not African child. We are South Africans. We are not Zimbabweans. We are not Malawian. We are not Congolese. We are South Africans. Speak
Just keep
to
quiet
the
and listen, my sister.
patriotism
We are
of
tired
the...
of hearing you speaking here like a man.
No, we are not tired.
Speak to Zimbabweans about addressing the issues of Zimbabwe. Don't tell us about African child. Why do you have to speak for us with the African what? No, don't speak for us. We are not African child. We are not. Nonsense as Zimbabwe. They don't see themselves as African and one in Zimbabwe. We are spandlilus fagaglo rubbish. We are not.
You see, Mr. Host, it's very painful to see how we behave, and so-called that people are behaving wrongly in Africa, in South Africa. She spoke, and whatever she spoke, not necessarily means if we have kept quiet, we've been agreeing. I'm one of those who was totally not agreeing on what she said. But because of I'm a person who can behave like a human, I let a person to finish speak. Can I please be allowed also to finish my speaking? Whoever object or disagree will be given opportunity to address. We can sing all of us speaking, but speaking all of us same time, really it reflects a negative picture of us. But okay, thank you very much. As I was referring, it's very painful to see an African child have so much hatred to an African child. Even South Africa, during hard time and hardships, we're not talking of other countries, South Africa. Our people ran to other countries. That's being a human. Not all of us can take pressure. Even right now, Donald Trump has showed us that we as Africans, we are still far from showing Ubuntu that you're talking about. He just felt offended.
Host, we lost one of our own because of foreign nationals in Joseph Bafetu.
But
we come to listen to this bullshit. We lost one of our own in our country because South African was fighting for South Africans in this country. We come here to listen to this bullshit. These people are killing our own in our country. They kill South Africans for South Africans. They kill South Africa who protect South Africa. We must listen to this bullshit. This is bullshit, Bafetu. DJ Wala is no more because of Makwerekwere. He's no more. We listen to these people. We lost one of our own, Bafetu. We lost one of our own because of Makwerekwere. Hey, Bafetu, we listen to this bullshit. We lost one of our own, my people, Bafetu. DJ Wara is just no more. Aye, Bafetu, we can't listen to this bullshit. Africa, this is in our country. We are losing our people. We listen to this bullshit. Aye, Bafetu, man kangane, Bafetu. The man kangane host. I don't request, but today I'm requesting. We lost DJ Wara. We lost DJ Wara, my people. Because of this,
but we never, people were going. So the whole country was in Zimbabwe. The whole country was in Zimbabwe. South Africans never migrated in number to Zimbabwe.
Africa, we lose our people.
We are South Africans.
They can't use those guns to their government, who are treating them like bullshit in their own country. They're here and are liking our people who are protecting the country for the future of South African children. We come to listen to this South African sentiments. People are here to take over people. We can't be listening to these people, Bafetu. We don't have time to listen to these sentiments of Africa. We are losing our people who are protecting this country. People are liking our people, but they can't fight the same to their own government who are treating them like bullshit. But we must expect, South Africans are expected to treat them fairly, to treat them like with soft gloves. But their own government are not treating with such treatment. I have a federal and Mengangan.
You want me to repeat? Right, Mr. Machola, I understand that you did receive medical treatment as requested at the Johannesburg prison. Is it correct?
I saw the doctor yesterday.
Okay, that's fine.
We lost one of our own because of Makwarakwerwe. Hey, Bafetu, we listen to this bullshit. We lost one of our own, my people, Bafetu. DJ Wara is just no more. Aye, Bafetu, we can't listen to this bullshit. Africa, this is in our country. We are losing our people. We listen to this bullshit. Aye, Bafetu, man kangane, Bafetu. The man kangane host. I don't request, but today I'm requesting. We lost DJ Wara. We lost DJ Wara, my people. Because of this,
but we never, people were going. So the whole country was in Zimbabwe. The whole country was in Zimbabwe. South Africans never migrated in number to Zimbabwe.
Africa, we lose our people.
We are South Africans.
They can't use those guns to their government, who are treating them like bullshit in their own country. They're here and are liking our people who are protecting the country for the future of South African children. We come to listen to this South African sentiments. People are here to take over people. We can't be listening to these people, Bafetu. We don't have time to listen to these sentiments of Africa. We are losing our people who are protecting this country. People are liking our people, but they can't fight the same to their own government who are treating them like bullshit. But we must expect, South Africans are expected to treat them fairly, to treat them like with soft gloves. But their own government are not treating with such treatment. I have a federal and Mengangan host to listen to this bullshit, man. We are listening to this bullshit of African sentiments. We are losing our own. For sack, man. Hi, man. I don't request anymore, but I just wanted to listen. But I can't allow this. We lost one of our own, protecting this country. Hey, but people are hijacking our building. They can't do the same thing. Be revolting against the shit government. They're here revolting against South Africans. They're even alive in South Africa. We are listening to this African sentiment. To hell with Africa, man. To hell with Pan-Africanism. Musonwa African Pan-Africanism. How? We are losing our people every day because these people are not here with good intention. We are coming to listen to this fucking African sentiments. We lost Wara, South Africans. We lost Wara. We lost DJ Wara, one of our own. We must allow these people, because they are black, to unalive us, because we are fighting for our country, for the future of our children. We know they're not here with good intention. I fuck with Pan-Africanism, man. Yes, sis. I can't be listening to this bullshit. I was not intending to request, but I can't listen to this bullshit, by faith. I can't listen to this shit. We lost Wara. We lost Wara. And he was analyzed by Kwere. He was analyzed by Kwere because they hijack our building. They are doing business with those hijacked buildings. They are profiting out of those hijacking buildings. And we must hear talking about Africa. Africa this, Africa this. Bullshit with that, man. I feel sick, man. Yes, yes. Oh, I was not intending to request. Hi, man. Fuck off, man. Yes, yes.
Yeah, Botlhoko families, Waras's family today, they are bleeding, they are in pain. Their hearts are bleeding. And Makwere are enjoying, they are celebrating on social media the death of our own. To
They're
tell you, ukuthi
celebrating.
labantu laba, they are Makwere celebrating. They are celebrating. You must remember, Waras used to speak about some of these issues. I don't really know what could be have been the reason for his death. We don't know, because some of these celebrities are involved in shady dealings. We don't know. At this rate, we're only taking what is coming from the media. But Makwere are celebrating. So, ubuhlungu obuzwiwa ama-South African is a joke to Makwere. So, sizotshelwa one of our own, we must be told ukuthi African child. What about Waras today? Whose blood he was sleeping in a pool of his blood there. He was sleeping in a pool of his blood yesterday. Sitsheliwe nge-African child is all. By your Makwere. They are celebrating. We are South Africans. We are not African children. You don't see us going to your countries and preaching African unity there. We are in South Africa. And majority of the people who are preaching African unity are in South Africa. It's South Africans who are hooked on that useless ideology. You don't even preach it in your countries. Tanzania is not preaching African unity. It's saying the informal trading must be reserved for the natives. Isn't Nigeria deporting even now? Nigeria has imposed a $15 fine for people who are overstaying their visas in Nigeria. Isn't Ghana chasing foreigners? Isn't it so? This African unity must happen in South Africa at the expense of South Africans. Is South Africa nini yanhlalisa la? Sending soldiers, giving you aid in millions of taxpayers' money, and you still want more. Bafethu steteleni shayiseni ngomoya. Shayiseni ngomoya. Sizonifonela. Sicela nishiftele. Siyanicela. Yikho ngithi mina manje into zokukhuluma aziphele, because they are waging a war on us. Bayosiceda labantu. Into eyahambisa labantu emazweni wabo yimpi. Asibanikeni impi bahambe. Sibanikeni impi times 10. Bahambe. Akunyiwe makunyiwe.
Hamba bengisafuna guys
Yayinqiniso leyo.
Guys in the comments, we love you so much, but please help us with the F1, because now we are heated. We are in a panel here. It's very much. Please help us with F1. If you hear Zah said something, just help us with F1 444. Keep it going. Tap the screen. You've brought us to 7. Guys, who would I be without Patriots, Mar? I'm just asking myself. I mean, look at how we're at 70K in no time. We will be in 1 million at 5 a.m. That's where we are going. That's our next goal.